How to fix App Store missing on Android. Hello, everybody. If in your Android device the Google Play Store is missing, you can first head over and follow up the steps. So, the first step you can do is you can check if the app is disabled. For that, head over to devices settings. And then once you open it up, you can scroll down from the given options and look for the option called Apps and tap on it. After you tap on Apps, look out for Google Play Store. Look out for the search in the top right and type in Play Store and find Google Play Store here and tap on it. And after you tap on it, here in the middle of your screen, you'll be finding disable and enable option. So if your app is disabled, you will be finding an enable option. You can just go ahead and tap on enable option and the app should reappear on your home screen and in your app drawer. Otherwise, you can try clearing the cache of your application. For that, long press on Play Store, go to info section, and once you are there, go to storage, and from storage go ahead and clear the cache and then clear the data if necessary and restart your device after that and see if the Play Store is back on your Android device or not. Apart from that, you can uninstall and reinstall. For that, long press on the app, look out for uninstall option if available, and that will uh, revert the app to its factory version and let the Play Store update itself automatically. And that is it. Sometimes a simple restart can also solve minor glitches, so go ahead and restart your device, and that's it. So if you'd also like to fix that issue, you may head over and follow up the steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.